SOLIDWORKS PDM 2021 introduces expanded configurability and increased performance to help you manage your team's file-based processes and deliverables better than ever. With SOLIDWORKS PDM 2021, you will see how we can deliver a more tailored and personal view of the Vault and explore and document file references more intuitively by the treehouse view that is now integrated within both contains and where used. You will also see how an extended and redesigned library of workflow icons can be used to build visual cues that create an instant awareness of your processes across the team. We will also describe how bills of materials in SOLIDWORKS PDM now support even more of your CAD workflows, including the use of weldments and derived parts, in order to streamline your processes further. And of course, all of this is backed with even more performance enhancements to ensure that your everyday PDM operations are faster than ever. Let's take a look. One of the best features of SOLIDWORKS PDM has long been the integration with Windows Explorer. In 2021, support for the latest Windows 10 elements like the ribbon interface is even better, whilst the customizable quick access menu provides instant access to your most used PDM commands. While icons are visually appealing, details is where the power of PDM reveals itself. Columns define specific sets of visual properties for users as they work in detail view. In PDM 2021, you can customize these even further in more places and provide choices with multiple column sets. For example, your users can quickly switch between different purpose-built column sets as different lenses to your data. In 2021, you can define columns for more places, like quick search results. You can add, move, remove, rename, and define permission to view and default preference per user or group. You can provide more meaningful access data to everyone. And in 2021, a new administrative permission gives you more granular control over user ability to customize their columns. As you create and update your workflows, you'll enjoy the new and updated icons for states and transitions in PDM 2021. These help illustrate each step and add some color to your process flow. And you're building in visual recognition for contributors wherever they are accessing the Vault. This Mount for Forward sensor suite is in the cost engineering state. I can help here with a redesign, but what about impacted references I should be aware of? New in PDM Professional, Treehouse View is available within Where Used and Contains. The visual reference can be printed and exported to an Excel file with thumbnails, which could become part of a change order documentation. A quick multi-select, and you can check out just the right parts, assemblies and drawings to make this change. Fast forwarding, I've redesigned the bracket to use aluminium plates. Converting this into a weldment creates cut list items, and in 2021 these are fully supported in PDM calculated bill of materials. Even exclude from cut list is now taken into account. It's not just weldments that are better supported in 2021, derived part references like those created from insert part, mirror and 3D interconnect are included as well. Also, SOLIDWORKS BOM component display settings are fully recognized. For example, I'm going to promote this configuration so the children will be presented at the next level up. A comparison of the computed bill of materials shows the new version is taking into account all the flexibility I had as a designer inside SOLIDWORKS. With the expanded configurability and increased performance of SOLIDWORKS PDM 2021, you can take your engineering teams to the next level.